What if your glasses could record everything you see, hands-free? Today on Caring Guy, we're testing the AI Smart Shooting and Recording Glasses 2026, and this might be one of the coolest gadgets for creators and outdoor lovers. Imagine riding your bike, hiking, or just walking and capturing it all from your own perspective. No phone, no camera, just your glasses. These aren't just normal glasses. They come with an 8-megapixel AI-powered camera that captures sharp and vibrant footage automatically. And thanks to AI anti-shake technology, your videos stay smooth, even when you're moving fast. Perfect for cycling, travel vlogs, or action shots. But here's where it gets even more interesting. These smart glasses also include AI translation and smart tools, meaning you can interact, explore, and communicate smarter on the go. They're also built for real-world use. Windproof design keeps your vision clear, making them perfect for outdoor adventures like biking, hiking, or travel. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or just love cool tech, these glasses make recording your life effortless. So here's what stands out. Hands-free POV recording, 8-megapixel AI-enhanced camera, smooth anti-shake video, smart AI tools and translation, perfect for outdoor use. This is next-level convenience. But keep in mind, this isn't a professional cinema camera. It's designed for quick, easy, real-life recording, and it does that really well. So, are these AI smart glasses worth it? If you want a simple, futuristic way to capture your life hands-free, then yes, this is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Caring Guy. And tell me, would you wear smart glasses like this?